In this video, we're gonna learn left, right, and mid functions. These functions extract the part of the text that we specify by numbers. We have their formula here, you can see them, and we're gonna explain it. Left function. The first argument is text. It means the string that we want to extract a substring from it. And next one is an optional argument that specifies how many characters we want to extract. It is exactly like this in right function and a little bit different in mid function. In mid function we have text. It's okay, it's a string that we want to extract a substring from it. Next one is a start num. It means from which character we want to start extraction. And next one is num_chars. It means how many characters we want to extract. We're going to explain it in the practice, an example. The first one is left function. We want to extract the substring from this string deaco. So let's try it. Left. The text is in the cell E2, and we don't input num_chars because it's optional. We want to see what happens. Here, if we don't insert num_chars, it will be 1 by default. What does it mean? In left function, we can extract first characters in a string. It means from the left of a string. So the first character in this string is D. But if you insert, for example, 3 for num_chars, we have day. Because 1, 2, 3. The first characters. 3 characters in the left of the string. It is day. And next one, it is okay, left, and the text is E3. We want to extract now from knowledge. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the num_char is 4, and we have no here. Next one is right function. The only difference between right and left function is that in the right function we can extract characters from the right side of the string. But in left one, we extract from the left side. But here, from right. Let's try it. Right. E4. We want to extract, for example, Yako. Okay. So, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 from the right side. We count it from right because it's right function. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. We have Yako here. And here we want to extract ledge. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ledge. It is in E5 and 5 characters from the right side. It is ledge. Now, mid function. As I told you, we have 3 arguments in mid function. All of them must be inserted in the formula. They are not optional. First one is text. That's right. Text in E6. Next one is start num. It means we want to start extraction from which character. So we count it from the beginning. 1, 2. For example, I want to extract yuck. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So the first character that we want to extract is Y, and its position is 3rd position. So I insert 3. And how many characters I want to extract? 1, 2, 3. Yuck. And 3. We have yuck here. And the last one, just as exactly same as the previous one, I want to extract all in cell E7. I have to count 1, 2, 3. First character is in third position, so I insert 3. And how many characters I want to extract? 1, 2, 3, and 3. You see, out. But for example, if I change the num-chars to 4, I have more characters here, an extra E.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website diako.co.uk.